Alright, let's continue building this app. Before moving on, I'd like to finish the layouts thing. Maybe we can start with navbar. Right? Let's go to Bootstrap and search for navbar, which will be useful for our navbar thing. So basically we'll copy this here and we can go to app.edge. I don't want to paste this here. It will work, right? So we can copy paste this here and it will work, but I don't want this to be here in the here, right? So basically we don't want to paste this here. We can separate this one. So basically when we are doing something like navbar or showing the error messages, some basic things that are common, it is very good to create a folder called partials, which is a convention mostly, and inside partials we can create our files. So we can create navbar.h here. Right, so now we will copy this here, and in app.edge we can include using @include and partials dot edge. Right, now if we go ahead and refresh here, it should still work. Actually I just misspelled it. Partials, where I misspelled it. Partials, okay, excuse me, dot navbar. Okay, now it should work as simple as that. So we can, if you want to change something in navbar, we can just change this here. So we'll start by deleting this form and this, in fact, this disabled thing. So if we go ahead and refresh this here, we can expect this and this to go off. After that, I just want to put everything inside a container. So again, I'm going to create a div with the class of container and closing this here. Alright, cool. This collapse will have, we need to change this to ML auto instead of MR auto, which will move everything to the right side. Alright, so that should do here. We don't need this drop down anymore. Alright, so if I go ahead and refresh here, this will work. And this one, I don't think we need the link here. Instead of here home, we can change this to login. So basically we can log in and register here from here, right? So if I hit refresh, it should say login. As we know, here we should have past news, new news and everything. So basically this will show a hacker news, and after that we should have these links. In fact, we can have this as a collapsible thing. So let's copy this once more, paste this here. Well, we don't need to do that, right? So just think we can do this. Save that and refresh here. Alright, we got this, right? So instead of login, we can say new. After that, past. After that, liked. In fact, excuse me, submit will create a new news, right? So new past and submit will do. So that's all we need here. If you go ahead and refresh, we had got this right. So in fact, we shouldn't be caps. All right. So we can change this color to orange to make this at least somewhat relevant. So we go to app.edge. Before closing the head tag, we'll write an internal styling. Alright, so we can do this for now. Alright, so we'll do navbar color, background color, orange. Alright, so now alright, so this will help. If we go ahead and refresh, nothing will change because we need to change this here. BG light. In fact, yeah, doing that will do. Cool. That's great. And now we can start building it. So it should show logout when we are logged in. We'll do that later, right? So as of now, this is the layout of our app. So basically, when we include everything, when we include this app.edge in our application, it should come with navbar and all the data what we put inside this. Alright, so if you go ahead and check the login page, it should come up with this. That's the logic of layouts. So in this video we'll complete the layouts. In our next video we'll start building our actual app. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.